In this video, we listed the 5 best bird feeder cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Bird Buddy Smart Bird Feeder. The Bird Buddy is an innovative bird feeder equipped with an HD camera that elevates the bird watching experience by capturing stunning 1080p videos and 5MP photos of backyard visitors. Constructed from recyclable, BPA-free materials, this feeder includes a solar-powered roof for continuous charging, ensuring its camera is always ready to use. The accompanying Bird Buddy app utilizes AI technology to identify bird species, alert users to visitors, and provide insights into local birdlife while offering a feature to name and bond with individual birds. Designed with privacy in mind, the camera focuses solely on the feeder area, processing images locally to maintain user control over data. Setup is straightforward, allowing users to easily mount the feeder and begin enjoying their bird watching experience with live streaming capabilities and real-time notifications. Number 2. Full HD Birdcam TX 165. The Technax bird watching camera is specifically designed for observing starlings and other wildlife, featuring a robust acrylonitrile butadiene styrene construction that is rat-proof for durability. This versatile device boasts a short lens focus range of 2 to 6 inches and a wide viewing angle of 100 degrees, making it ideal for capturing the nuances of bird behavior. With a rapid trigger time of just 0.3 seconds, users can quickly document moments in video or photo format, including slow motion capabilities at up to 25 frames per second. Additionally, the camera is equipped with a built-in microphone and speaker for enhanced audio-visual recordings, and it utilizes a PIR sensor with a range of 7.7 inches and infrared capabilities with 940 nanometers LEDs to enable night recordings. Whether for casual bird watching or serious wildlife observation, this camera serves as a valuable tool for enthusiasts. Number 3. Smart Bird Feeder Camera. The BirdDock Smart Bird Feeder is designed specifically for hummingbirds, offering a unique blend of technology and nature for bird watching enthusiasts. With real-time notifications and HD video, users can observe birds up close, while the intelligent bird recognition feature leverages advanced AI to identify over 11,000 species, allowing for seamless cloud storage and photo preservation. The feeder's bird-friendly design includes a squirrel-proof lid and an IP65 waterproof rating, ensuring a safe and enjoyable feeding environment regardless of the weather. This wireless outdoor bird feeder makes an ideal gift for nature lovers and children, promoting shared experiences as it supports simultaneous viewing on up to 4 devices. Additionally, the product is easy to assemble and maintain, enhancing the joy of bird watching and fostering connections with family and friends. Note that the feeder operates on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and assistance is available through a dedicated customer service team. Number 4. NETVUE Birdfy Pro Bird Feeder. The NETVUE Birdfy Pro Smart Bird Feeder is designed for bird enthusiasts, allowing them to attract and observe a variety of bird species in real time. Made from new and post-consumer recycled plastics, this innovative feeder features a wider perch that enables users to customize their feeding station with different add-ons, such as mini hummingbird feeders or jelly holders for orioles. It boasts a 1080p camera with color night vision and 8x magnification, ensuring clear images and videos of birds, even at night. The feeder is equipped with a 5 dBi antenna for a stable Wi-Fi connection, so users can receive real-time notifications on their mobile app and never miss a bird visit. Its weatherproof design includes a large 1.5L food container, reducing the need for frequent refills while maintaining bird-friendly conditions. Additionally, NETVUE fosters a global community of bird lovers, encouraging users to share their experiences and connect with fellow enthusiasts, making bird watching a more interactive and enjoyable hobby. Number 5. WYZE Cam V3. The WYZE Cam V3 is a versatile indoor and outdoor wired video camera designed for comprehensive surveillance with notable features such as night vision, motion sensing, and two-way audio. It boasts an advanced starlight sensor that captures full-color video in low-light conditions, enabling clear recordings in environments 25 times darker than traditional cameras, complemented by a wide f1.6 aperture that enhances light intake. Rated IP65 for weather resistance, it is suitable for outdoor installation, although an additional WYZE outdoor power adapter is required for external use. The camera also incorporates motion and sound detection, alerting users on their phones when activity is detected, and offers customizable detection zones for tailored sensitivity. Additionally, the WYZE Cam V3 supports 24/7 continuous recording with a separate 32GB microSD card and is IFTTT certified, allowing integration with various applications and devices for enhanced smart home connectivity.